Hello, beautiful people. I'm Whitney, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today we will be doing an eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So I first prime my eyelids with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Next, I set the primer with Tarte's Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. This just makes the eyeshadows easier to work with. I'm gonna go into the shade Demure. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply this to the crease. I like to go up a little bit further. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Doll Face. And I was just applying it to the crease, but now I'm going down a little bit further, blending it out. Now I'm going in with Man Eater. So I'm just blending this out onto my lid. I'm taking my Sigma E43 and going in to Cocoa. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of this on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm actually gonna take my Sigma E45 and go into Cocoa. And then what I'm gonna do is just take this on my crease a little bit just to deepen it up and to just blend that color out from the corners of the eye. My Sigma E43, I'm going into Risque. I'm applying this on the outer corner of my eye. So back with my Sigma E35, I'm just going to blend this all out. Just kind of go in swirling and windshield wiper motions. You see how blending it out with that E35 just kind of softens it up a bit. Same with the other eye. I'm taking my Sigma E17 and I'm going into Cocoa. Now I'm gonna use this on the waterline. Up top, it sounds like I'm back in White River. Yeah, we're going up top. We're gonna do the same thing with the bottom waterline. Taking my Sigma E16 and I'm gonna go into Demure. And take this right underneath our waterline and just go all the way across. Okay, now we're going into Risque, putting that on the outer corner. We're gonna take Cocoa and add it again to the outer corner. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna take our Sigma E21 and just smudge it on out. We're gonna take Man Eater with our Sigma E16. We're gonna work on the upper lash line. Okay, so we're gonna go into Cocoa and we're taking this all over our upper lash line. Okay, now we're gonna go into Risque and we're just gonna do this on the outer corner. I'm gonna go back in with Doll Face. Okay, so we're gonna take our Sigma E46 and we're gonna go into Moon Dust. I like to take my Cover FX setting spray my brush with it, and we're just gonna apply this in the inner corner of our eyes. Okay, I'm gonna take my Sigma E20 and go into the same shade, Moon Dust, and I'm just going to apply this to my brow bone. This is gonna be my brow bone highlighter. Okay guys, now what I'm gonna do is apply my lash primer. Then I go over that with my Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. Okay, so now that I've got my lashes done, I will show you the final look. I'm gonna take my Sigma E58 and go into the shade Rose Gold. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like without the Cover FX setting spray. Now I'll take my Cover FX setting spray. I'll go with Rose Gold on my other eyelid and I'll just kind of show you guys the difference. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger into Rose Gold and I'll show you how that comes off when you use it with your finger. This side's my finger and this side is the Cover FX setting spray with the brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Dubai, this shade here. So this is the final look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'd really mean a lot to me. So now that your eyes are done and you're feeling awesome, you, my friend, are ready to work out. Just kidding, we only wear workout clothes. We don't work out because that'd be weird. Bye guys.